So perfect tense. Perfect tense is means when the work is completed, we have done the work. Okay. When the work is completed, we use perfect tense. Okay. So 3, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. So first we are going to learn about present perfect. Okay. In present perfect, if the work is done, okay, is finished in the present moment, then we are saying present perfect tense. Okay. I think up to this much is clear, children. When we are using present perfect tense and what is the formula? When the work is done in the present, then we are using present perfect formula. Like I have done my work. Okay. So formula will be subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object. If the work is finished in present moment, then we are going to use this present perfect tense. Like I have done my work. I have done my work. It means you have finished your work just right now. Okay. I have done my work. So with singular, we are using has. With plural, we are using have. But I and you are exceptions. So we are using with I and you have. Up to this much is clear, children? Up to this much is clear, children? So we can take more examples. I have, Radha has cooked. Radha has cooked dinner. Okay. So you can see here Radha is singular. So we are putting has over here. Okay. If I'll change into plural, they have gone to mall. So I'm using with plural have. Okay. Is it clear? Show me your virtual thumbs. With singular, we are using has, and with plural, we are using have. Ridhima, Bhumika, Ritul, clear? Show me your virtual thumb, children, if it is clear to everyone. So when we are making them, changing them into negative, we will write has not, have not. Okay. When we want to change them into negative, we will use has not, have not. The same sentences will be changed into negative. Have not plus verb third form plus object. So same sentence will be changed into not. I have not done my work. Radha has not cooked dinner. They have not gone. Okay, only you have to put the not to make it negative. Clear up to this much? And when I want to make it interrogative, then these auxiliary verbs will come in the beginning. Okay? Auxiliary verbs will come in the beginning. Auxiliary verbs will come in the beginning. Has have, plus subject, plus verb third form, plus object. So, have I done my work? Have I done my work? Has Radha not cooked the food? Has Radha, has Radha, has Radha cooked food? Have they gone? Have they gone to mall and question mark? I think this is clear to everyone now. No problem. It's clear to everyone. Show me your virtual thumb. Yes, love. Any problem, beta? Ask.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Okay, my voice is very low. Now I am audible.
No, ma'am, also is low.
Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you can see now. You can see now, children. It's clear to everyone, or shall I explain again, children? It's clear to you? So when we are changing into negative, we are using not, has not, have not. Okay? When we are making them into interrogative, we are putting the auxiliary verb in the beginning. Okay? We are putting the auxiliary verb in the beginning. Then we are putting up the question mark. My voice is audible now? Yes, Abnesh. You want to ask anything? Yes. Arnesh, you want to ask anything, beta? Arnesh, unmute yourself, beta. Okay. Tanish, you want to ask anything, beta? Tanish, you want to ask?
Ma'am, can you please it again?
Tanish, your voice is so low. You want me to explain again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, children, I'm explaining you again. Right from the beginning, you want me to explain? Formula, like I have given. Okay, I'll explain again, no problem. So when the work is done in present, is finished, then we are using present perfect. And formula will be subject plus has have plus verb third form. Am I audible, children? Show me your virtual thumbs. Am I audible? Verb third form. Beta, keep this formula in your mind. Okay, you have to learn these formulas. Plus object. Okay? Yes. So, what example I have given? I have done my work. Simple example I have taken. Okay? Mostly you say this thing, ma'am, I have done my work. That's why I have taken this example. And has we are using with singular. And have we are using with plural. Okay. But I and you are exceptions. We are using with them the plural rule. Okay. Whatever we are using with plural, that we are using with them. So you can see here that I have used I and have. Same way if I'll write Radha. Radha has done her work. So you can see here Radha is singular and I have used has. Okay, so with singular we are using has and with plural we are using have. Tanish, up to this much is clear. Show me your virtual thumb. Tanish, clear beta? Tell me. Tanish, clear now? Tanish. Tanish, unmute yourself and tell me. If it is clear, then I'll move further. Clear?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Okay, fine, beta. Bhuvi?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, why we treat I and you as a plural?
It is a rule, beta. We are not treating them plural. We are putting the plural forms with them, like I go to school. Okay, so you're not using singular rule. It's an exception. It's given in the, like formulas are given, so that is given. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this is the rule which we are learning. Bhuvi, any doubt? Bhuvi?
I was having the same doubt as
Okay,
Tanish.
okay. That is the formula, beta, which we are just reading. That with I and you, we have to follow that. That's it. Okay. So I think no problem. Now we are moving on to the negative form. If I have to write this into negative, only a little change I am going to make. I'll put only not. Okay, so it's very easy for us to do. We have to only put not plus verb third form plus object. Okay, so only we are going to change them into I have not done my work, has not done. clear? Negative is clear to you all? Negative is clear? Show me your virtual thumbs, children. And I'll move into interrogative. Negative is clear, children? Clear, children? Show me your virtual thumbs if negative is clear. Anish, Kavya, Arav, Anya, clear beta? Show me your virtual thumbs. Ruby, is there any doubt?
Ma'am, you're not audible. Your voice is not coming.
Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Now you're
Okay.
audible.
You are having, now this is clear beta? That for not we are putting, we are making it negative. Okay. Then if we want to change into interrogative, what we are going to do? Auxiliary verbs will come before the subject. Auxiliary verbs will come before the subject. So what changes I am going to make? Why I am rubbing this? So that you people will remember that what are the changes I have made. Okay, only has I will come before subject. This is the change. Subject plus verb third form plus object. Changes which we are going to make, that auxiliary verbs will come in the beginning. Okay, subject plus verb third form plus object. So you can see here, have I done? Have I done my work? Question mark. When we are speaking into interrogative, we will use question mark as punctuation mark. Okay. Has Radha done her work? We'll put the question. Clear, children? Yes. Now, bolo.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Now it's audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Concept is clear to you all?
No, ma'am.
No. Which is not clear? Tell me.
How interrogative we change?
Only auxiliary verbs will come in the beginning. You can see here the formula. Only I have put the auxiliary verbs in the beginning before the subject. Okay. I made only this change. Have I done my work? Question mark. Then has Radha done her work? Okay. Only auxiliary verbs will come in the beginning. This is the change. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll move on to past perfect. Past perfect, if the work is done in the past, is finished in the past, okay, then we are using past perfect. And in past perfect, one work is finished and other work is started. Okay. Like for past perfect, we are using subject plus verb second form. Sorry, had plus verb third form plus object. Okay. Am I audible, children, now? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible to you, children? Show me your virtual thumbs if I am audible. Show me your virtual thumbs if I am audible to you people. Am I audible, children? Arnesh, you want to ask anything? Arnesh, you want to ask anything, beta?
Yes.
Unmute yourself. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have a query in perfect tense.
Speak up. What is the query?
मैम हम ये सेंटेंस कैसे चेंज करेंगे कि राधा खाना क्यों नहीं पका रही है?
पका रही है तो बेटा कॉन्टिन्यूस हो गया ना. Why Radha is not cooking
सॉरी
food?
मैम, मैम राधा खाना क्यों नहीं पका चुकी है?
Radha has not cooked food. Why Radha has not cooked food?
ओके मैम.
Okay, beta. Any other doubt? Laksh Jindal has raised the hand. Yes, Laksh. Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, forgot to lower hand.
Okay. Now it's clear, children. So I had done my homework yesterday. I had done my homework yesterday. Or I had done my homework. It means I have done my homework in the past. Okay, not today. I have done my homework in the past. Same way, if I want to change into negative, I'll use not. I had not done my homework. Okay. And if I want to change into interrogative, had I done my homework. Auxiliary verb will come in the beginning. Okay, children, had I done my homework. So now we will move on to the exercise part. I think up to this much is clear to you all. Show me your virtual thumbs, children. If it is clear, we will move on to the exercise part now. Okay.